Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create a fan page on Facebook that you use for advertising your products. Most of my ad styles work best with a fan page, so these are crucial, I would say, to grow your assets that you use to generate organic traffic, grow your brand and build a community of followers. There are several ways to create fan pages, and the method I'm going through is one of the easiest. You can actually simply log into your personal Facebook account or go to your Facebook Business Manager in the settings. When you are running, multiple businesses on Facebook, Facebook prefers you do this through a Business Manager account. In this case, I will just type this link right here at the top in Google, and you will be brought right here. So you just select a brand or a product right here. So click this one. Now, the next step is creating a name for the page. For the example, I'm going with super sexy hair right here. The category is website, of course. Here, super sexy hair. It's just a fan page that I'm setting up for you right now in the hair niche. Your page then will be ready. Just select get started, and here we go. So after you type in the page title and you click get started, the get started button, you can begin editing the page and adding a description. For example, for my specific fan page, I'm going to type something like like us if you love super sexy hair. Remember, I'm targeting women here, so then come check out our site at supersexyhair.com. Okay, so supersexyhair.com. So you can just save the you're just gonna save the info, and then what you can do is insert a profile picture that is related to your niche. Make it attractive, that encourages visitors to click on it. In my case, I'll just choose something stylish right here, this one, which, as you can see, is very attractive. And like I said, I'm targeting women by selling specific hair products to them. So click next. And then when you finish inserting the details, you can, for your specific niche audience, click save, and your page is going to be ready. Just you can skip this, just skip it, and then it's about the page right here, like 1865 women, women, and that's it. You just save it. And here's what your page, your finished Facebook fan page, will look like. Okay, you restart and close this one, and that's it. However, before you do anything, you still need to add some more content, and you can edit what you have already completed if you're not completely satisfied with what you have right now. Add content, for example, to the About Us right here. You can add all the content you want to see. There's a ton of information, and you can add an address if you have a physical store. Check the settings to make sure they are what you want. Also add a description that I have already added, and of course you can change the cover. I'm going to close this one right now. You can change the cover, and again, choose something stylish. Possibly it might be the same one, maybe with something. You can add something if you want, Photoshop. And after you make all these necessary changes, you have the fan page that you can use to start advertising to grow your brand. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to set up a custom audience and conversion pixel.